Imagine for a moment that you could accurately interpret every signal a woman sends when she's attracted to you. I can tell you that if you managed to decipher those signals, you'd probably be surprised and fascinated at the same time. You'd realize, for example, that 95% of men fail to recognize them because women express them very subtly, and when they're overlooked, the opportunity is gone forever. Hi, I'm Alicia, and in this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 signs a woman shows when she desires you, but will never admit directly. I can assure you that sign number 6 will completely surprise you because it's the most sexual of all, and most men have no idea what it really means. Stay until the end of the video to find out. Anchis Yikonchinu. Let me tell you something important. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, subscribe right now. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, I post new videos revealing secrets of female psychology that women will never tell you openly. The subscription button is right here below. Just one click in 2 seconds. Do it now. Ready? Perfect. Let's continue. So, let's start with sign number 1. The first sign that she desires you is that she constantly touches her hair when she's around you. This is one of the clearest gestures, yet many men don't notice it or simply ignore it. When a woman is attracted to you, her body betrays her in ways she can't even control. The big mistake many men make is thinking that when a woman plays with her hair, it's just a meaningless habit. Do you know the opposite behavior of a woman who desires you? A woman who keeps her hair completely still, who doesn't touch it, arrange it, or play with it when you're around. On the other hand, when she touches her hair, it says a lot. She might twirl it with her fingers, tuck it behind her ear repeatedly, or gently stroke it. These are all unconscious gestures of flirting. The truth is, as a woman, I can confirm that when we feel nervous because we like someone, we tend to touch our hair automatically. Our bodies try to look more attractive and feminine, and hair is one of our most powerful tools of seduction. That's why you should pay attention to this gesture. If you notice her touching her hair repeatedly while talking to you, especially in a soft and seductive way, there's a high level of sexual interest. You can tell if it's casual or not by the frequency. If it only happens once, it could be a coincidence. If she does it throughout the conversation, there's definitely interest. Now, sign number 2 is something that happens with her body completely unconsciously. The second sign that she desires you is that she leans toward you while you're talking. Most men don't pay attention to body language. They focus solely on the words, but the body never lies. Many believe that physical distance doesn't matter, that whether a woman is near or far is meaningless, but the reality is different. When a woman feels sexual attraction, her body instinctively seeks proximity. She can't help it. During the conversation, you'll notice she leans her torso toward you, closes the distance, and seeks physical intimacy. This is a biological sign of attraction. When we're attracted, we want to be within a man's personal space. We want him to perceive our scent and energy up close. The key is to observe. If she moves closer, leans forward, and shortens the distance between you, there's clear interest. When you notice this, stay calm. Don't back away. Maintain your position or lean in slightly as well. This creates a very powerful sexual tension. You'll see that she responds positively, even moving closer, thus confirming her desire. The third sign has to do with her eyes. The third sign that she desires you is that she maintains eye contact for longer than usual. Eye contact is one of the most intense forms of nonverbal communication. When a woman is attracted, her eyes reveal everything. The mistake many men make is breaking that contact too quickly or not even noticing that she's maintaining it. Do you know what the opposite behavior is? A woman who avoids your gaze, constantly looking elsewhere and not holding eye contact for more than a second or two. But when she desires you, she'll hold your gaze longer, 3, 4, 5 seconds or more, and may accompany it with a slight smile. This is very powerful because prolonged eye contact creates intimacy and an emotional and sexual connection. It's as if her eyes say what her words cannot. So pay attention. If she holds your gaze longer than usual, especially with a smile or dilated pupils, there's desire. Learn to hold and